Back with some breaking inputs we're picking up in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The Enforcement Directorate will record the statement of Rhea Chakrabarti, CA Ritesh Shah before summoning Rhea and her family members. Shravan Sen, our senior associate editor, joining us with more details. Looks like, Shravan, the Enforcement Directorate certainly not convinced with what it has picked up from be it Rhea Chakrabarti, CA, or Rhea Chakrabarti and her entire family as well. What more details can you share about the latest summon?
Well, in fact, Rhea Chakrabarti's chartered accountant has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. He's expected to appear before the Enforcement Directorate's office here in Mumbai. But remember, what the Enforcement Directorate is now looking at is that certain responses that have been given by Rhea Chakrabarti, they are not satisfactory because there has been a mismatch between the documents that have been provided by Rhea Chakrabarti with that of the income tax records that are available with the Enforcement Directorate. Apart from that, what's important to point out here is that the Enforcement Directorate is also, in all likelihood, going to call Rhea Chakrabarti once again for questioning as well as her family members. But that perhaps would be only after the Supreme Court order comes in. Apart from that, what we can also confirm right now is with regards to the Enforcement Directorate waiting for the forensic reports to come in as far as those deleted messages are concerned. Because remember, earlier Republic TV had also reported about the fact that there were certain deleted messages, especially from Rhea Chakrabarti's mobile phones. These were deleted messages between the month of May and June, which the Enforcement Directorate is essentially trying to retrieve.
All right, so Rhea Chakrabarti and her family members could be summoned once again by the Enforcement Directorate. Also, Rhea Chakrabarti, CA. Before that, will be quizzed by the agency. Shravan, let's also tell our viewers how the Enforcement Directorate is also looking at questioning Varun Mathur, business partner of Sushant Singh Rajput in one of his companies, who Republic TV is also trying to track, but we have no information on that front, and that perhaps could also be an important link as far as the money laundering angle is concerned.
Well, in fact, this would be extremely important because Varun Mathur actually happens to be a part of a company which was floated by Sushant Singh Rajput. This company is based out of New Delhi, which is looking into virtual reality. Now, there are three companies that actually come into the scanner of the Enforcement Directorate. One of the companies in which Varun Mathur has also been a part of, that is based out of New Delhi. That is the reason why he's now been called in for questioning. Now, as far as these three companies are concerned, remember the Enforcement Directorate has already questioned Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother, Shouvik Chakrabarti, as far as their relation or with these companies are concerned, in terms of the investments that were basically made by Rhea Chakrabarti, and more importantly, her brother, who's also been a director in one of those companies. So the company link is also something that the Enforcement Directorate is essentially looking into, whether at all these are paper companies to begin with, or, for example, whether at all these companies were utilized to divert certain funds.
All right. Thank you for that, Shravan. Alisha is also with us on this broadcast. Alisha, because that has been the major focus, the main focus of the Enforcement Directorate since the past few days. The Enforcement Directorate is trying to quiz each and every party separately and then trying to understand what versions are coming out. Clearly, there has been a mismatch, is why the Enforcement Directorate is now looking at questioning not just Rhea Chakrabarti's CA once again, but also Rhea Chakrabarti and her entire family. Meanwhile, also looking at questioning Sushant Singh Rajput's business partner Varun Mathur. So important development that is expected on that front as well. But ED now leaving no stone unturned, looking at probing the money laundering angle, the financial irregularities that have been alleged by the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput. Alisha.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल ईडी की ओर से आज यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है कि रिया चक्रवर्ती के सीए रितेश शाह उनका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और वहीं पर रिया चक्रवर्ती या उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स को समन करने से पहले खुद जो रितेश शाह, जिनको लेकर खासतौर पर रिया चक्रवर्ती के जो एक्सपेंसेस है या फिर इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न्स है, जो उनके बैंक स्टेटमेंट को लेकर मैच नहीं हो रहे, इन्हीं सभी चीजों को लेकर ईडी जो जांच कर रही है, वही रितेश शाह जो कि रिया के सीए है, उनसे पूछताछ कर सकती है। वही खासतौर पर ये भी पता चल रहा है कि ईडी जो है वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स के जो फॉरेंसिक रिपोर्ट्स है उसका भी इंतजार कर रही है, क्योंकि जो डिलीटेड मैसेजेस जो है या फिर जो व्हाट्सएप मैसेज है जो कि डिलीट कर चुके हैं, उन्हीं सभी के पूछताछ को लेकर उनको भी, यानी जो डिलीटेड मैसेजेस हो या व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस हो, उनको रिट्राइव करने की भी कोशिश ईडी की ओर से की जा रही है। साथ ही ईडी जो है वो वरुण माथुर, जो कि सुशांत के प्राइवेट कंपनी साथ में काम करते थे, उसी कंपनी को लेकर क्वेश्चनिंग जो है वो ईडी कर सकती है। और अभी जो पता चल रहा है कि रिया या उनके परिवार को फोन करने से पहले ईडी जो है वो रिया चक्रवर्ती के सीए रितेश शाह से फिर से क्वेश्चनिंग कर सकती है।
All right. So, does look like, at least from what source-based information we're picking up, that the Enforcement Directorate is not convinced with the answers that Riya Chakrabarti has given out. In fact, her expenses and income tax returns are not matching with her bank statements. That's the information that we have, Alisha. Also, what we know is that Enforcement Directorate is now looking at several electronic evidences as well. So, ED awaiting forensic report of electronic gadgets so that the deleted messages and details of WhatsApp calls can be retrieved. And in addition to that, like both Shravan and Alisha were pointing out, ED has also summoned Varun Mathur. And why this man is important? Because he's a business partner of Sushant Singh Rajput in one of the companies in the national capital. Company by the name Insai Private Limited, and the agency certainly tight-lipped as of now about when he has been summoned, but his questioning will certainly help them understand whether Riya ever interacted with him.